Who can even afford a $250,000 house in 2026? A $250,000 house. In many parts of the world, that number used to represent a normal middle-class home. Not luxury, not extreme, just achievable. But in 2026, that same number feels very different. So the question is no longer, is $250,000 expensive? The real question is, who can actually afford it anywhere in the world? The global illusion of price. A $250,000 house is never just about the price. No matter the country, buying property comes with extra costs. Down payment, legal fees, taxes or registration costs, insurance, maintenance, unexpected repairs. The number you see online is only the beginning. The down payment problem, worldwide. Across most countries, banks and lenders want security. That usually means a large upfront payment, sometimes 10%, often 20%, sometimes even more. On a $250,000 home, that's tens of thousands in cash. For people paying rent, covering daily expenses, and dealing with rising living costs, saving that amount is one of the biggest barriers worldwide. Income versus cost of living. Here's the global reality. Income has not grown at the same speed as housing prices. In many countries, salaries grew slowly. Housing prices jumped quickly. Living costs kept rising. So even people with good jobs often struggle to qualify for home loans. Banks don't look at effort. They look at ratios. If housing costs take up too much income, approval becomes difficult, no matter where you live. Interest rates changed the game everywhere. Low interest rates once made homes feel affordable. That era is gone. Higher rates mean higher monthly payments, more money paid over time, less borrowing power. A house that looks affordable can feel very expensive once the monthly payment is calculated. This is happening globally, not in just one country. Credit, history, and financial proof. In 2026, lenders everywhere want proof. Proof that you can repay. Proof that you manage money well. That means credit history, stable income records, low existing debt. For younger generations or people in unstable job markets, this requirement alone can delay homeownership for years. Location matters more than ever. A $250,000 house means very different things depending on location. In major cities, it might buy very little. In smaller towns or rural areas, it might still buy a modest home. Globally, affordability is no longer about price. It's about where you are willing to live. Buying alone is becoming rare. Around the world, home buying is quietly changing. More people are buying as couples, pooling family money, receiving help from parents, sharing financial responsibility. In many places, owning a home on one income is becoming increasingly rare. Ownership comes with ongoing costs. Even after purchase, the financial pressure doesn't stop. Homes require repairs, maintenance, taxes or fees, insurance, long-term planning. Owning property in 2026 is not just about buying, it's about sustaining. So, who can afford a $250,000 house in 2026? Globally speaking, it's usually people who have stable, predictable income, strong financial records, significant savings, low debt, or family support. Not necessarily the hardest workers, not necessarily the most educated, but the most financially prepared. A $250,000 house used to feel like a starting point. In 2026, it feels more like a checkpoint that many people are still trying to reach. The house didn't become smaller. Money just became heavier.